Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys have an idea of the autosum function. Now, what I'm going to do is expand on that a little bit and show you other variations of the autosum function. So what I've first done is replace the text here with the actual formula of the autosum. So the one we created in the previous sheet, if we double click that, you're going to see that same formula. Equals, to show that it's a formula, sum, bracket, saying that you're calling on the sum function, B3 to B12 saying that's the area we're going to be dealing with, okay, as you can see here, and close the bracket saying, okay, I'm done with the formula, I'm complete. So we press enter to get out of that. Now to do average, count, max, you can use that button at the top. So up here, the autosum that we used. So if you click on this drop down triangle, it's the same method, right? You highlight the area and you press one of these buttons. Now I'm going to do something a bit different and show you guys that there is another way to do the same thing. So what you want to do is you go equals, average, bracket, and then select the area you're dealing with. Okay? Close bracket. And this will achieve the same thing as using an autosum function, except you're doing it manually. That's the only difference. And we press enter. So now we have average. We do the same thing for count. So equals count bracket, highlight the area, close bracket, enter. So it says that we have 10 items. Okay, the maximum number in that range, we go equals max, bracket, highlight the area, close bracket, enter. Then we do the last one, minimum, which is the lowest number in that range. So equals min, bracket, select the area, close bracket. Now I can rewrite all these formulas into here. Or I can use the fill handle going horizontally, all right, which is this button on the bottom right corner, and that duplicates the formulas. Okay, let me show you that again. So we go back, all right, highlight the area you want to duplicate, click on that fill handle, we drag to the right, you're going to see the preview line and release. Now if we double click and check into these, it's actually duplicated the formulas and it's moved the range across. All right. Now the reason it's moved is because we haven't used absolute referencing, which I'm not going to get into here. All right, but that's a neat little trick. All right, and that's how you do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon.